back to the channel. Hope y'all doing well. And today we finally gonna be installing a case saver for the Raptor 700R here. This right is 2019. And with that being said, I still had a stock one on there. And to be honest with you, it was a guy a while ago said something about your chain can pop and whip that case and crack it. And I really didn't think about what he said and really until now, and that probably been like 2 years or maybe a year ago. So I got this case saver right here from Amazon. You know, like pretty much a 5-star review on it. Gonna install it, see how it looks. If y'all interested, link will be in the description. And we're gonna be showing you also how to install it too. So just in case you didn't know. That being said, let's get into it. Okay, so this install is fairly simple. All you're gonna do is just take this hex screw off right here and one at the bottom. And what you're gonna be using is a 5mm Allen key wrench. There we go. Yeah, and apparently the one on the stock one is very, very thin. This right here is a whole lot thicker than, I know they got some that cost, you know, about 60 bucks. This right here, I picked this one right here up for like 16 bucks. But fun fact actually about chains, when you're talking about chains on right here, I just greased my chain a few minutes ago and it's been like 4 years, so yeah, by the grace of God, I ain't have anything, you know, chain popping out from cracking my case, so thank God for that. Okay, so we got our cover off, and this right here is the case saver. And man, I did not know. I wouldn't expect it to be that small, honestly. Look at the difference. I mean, Yamaha, I mean, what is this right here protecting like that? This is kind of crazy, honestly, but so we got one a lot thicker. Like I said, it's definitely better out there, but we're gonna see how this right here looks. And I also want to be able to put the stock cover on there too, so this right here should fit. We're gonna see how it looks. Okay, so you see we got it installed. We ain't got everything tightened down, but I will tell you, you would have to shave that part right there of this frame, black frame right here. You would have to shave it. So this right here really not compatible. I thought it was, but to be honest, my opinion, to be honest, you could make this work with the stock screws. The screws that came with it were too short. It really just the design of the whole thing. If you can find some longer screws, then yeah, this definitely, it definitely can work. But with the stock screws, you got enough thread to screw it in there. Pretty good. You can give it about a good 5 turns. So that's pretty good. But I do like the fact that this right here does set flush on the case, because a lot of times when the chain breaks, it can break your case bolt. It can break this right here. It sits on top of that. But it does sit flush on there, so I do like that right there. So if it does break, I ain't worrying about it, like the force of it cracking this right here. But overall though, like I said, I believe, yeah, I would, this for 16 bucks, it's definitely a lot thicker. I just wish it was actually more compatible with the this guard. But overall though, I like it. Overall though, it's pretty good. We don't got too much to complain about. So yeah, if you like the video, I appreciate a like, subscribe. Yeah, definitely better than this right here. So.